and if you want to be kind, so start using these words. Okay, start saying these words in your daily conversation. The first one is fat. Never call a person fat, because in a way, you are body shaming a person. If it is very, if it is mandatory or it is necessary, then only use the word. We call a person plus size. So stop using fat for any person, any individual. It is morally wrong because it hurts the sentiments of the other person. The next one is crazy. Never call a person crazy. Who are you to declare or say anybody a crazy person? In place of that, you can say the person is not in right frame of mind. Okay? It is better not to talk to her because she is not in right frame of mind. ठीक है? अभी वो सही स्थिति में नहीं है, आप बाद में बात करिएगा. All right? इस दुनिया में आए हैं, है ना? किसी को प्यार नहीं दे सकते हैं तो नफरत भी नहीं देनी चाहिए. We should make a point that we should be kind, especially with our words. Okay? The next is die. ठीक है? Die का word इस्तेमाल नहीं करिए शब्द का. You can say RIP, which means rest in peace. That the soul is resting in peace. The soul has departed. You can say departed, no longer with us. ठीक है? For a given example, recently, actress Shefali has departed. Okay, she is no longer with us. Okay. Stupid. Never call somebody stupid. किसी को stupid मत बोलिए. आप बोल सकते हैं, the person is a slow learner, or you can say, slow to grasp things. चीजें समझ में आती हैं पर थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लेता है समझने में. ठीक है? And I'll also tell you the full form of stupid, which is smart, talented, unique, person in demand. Yes. Okay. The next one is poor. Poor की जगह आप बोल सकते हैं underprivileged or economically disadvantaged. No poor word. Okay, stop using the word poor. Next comes servant. Again, this sounds very rude. So you can say help. Okay, or you can say staff members or help. The next word is rich. ठीक है? Rich की जगह आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं affluent or well off. The person is from an affluent, is one of the, he belongs to one of the affluent families, of the city, or he is from a well-off family. Alright? It's a slang that I loaded. Next is mental hospital. Never say mental hospital. Okay? You can say psychiatric hospital. ठीक है? Or a place where a person seeks psychiatric help. ठीक है? It looks more, like I said, you have to sound kind. ठीक है? आराम से अच्छे शब्दों का प्रयोग करें. Use wiser words. Okay. The next is drunk. In place of drunk, you can use the word intoxicated. ठीक है?